Assalamu alaikum. Are you struggling to scale your Shopify stores, Google Ads because of low ROAS? The problem isn't just your campaigns, it is the massive data loss from ad blockers and iOS restrictions. When your tracking is broken, Google Ads can't find your best customers, leading to wasted spend and poor results. This data gap is what stops most Shopify businesses from reaching their full potential. I am MD Nyamul, a senior tracking engineer, and I solve this by engineering data precision. Using server-side tracking through GTM and GA4, I ensure 99% data accuracy for your store. With clean data, we can finally optimize your performance max and shopping campaigns for real profit. This means lower CPA and higher ROAS because the AI actually knows who is buying. I manage everything from merchant center optimization to advanced keyword research and A/B testing. I focus on profitable growth, not just traffic, owning your strategy from setup to weekly reporting. My approach is simple. We audit your tracking, implement the fixes, and then scale your success. This proven framework turns messy data into clear, actionable insights for your business. Alhamdulillah, I have helped Shopify stores generate over $11 million in revenue since 2022. With over 600 5-star reviews, I guarantee transparency and clear communication. Stop guessing and start growing with data precision. Let's scale your Shopify store together. If you need this kind of help, please message me on WhatsApp or book a call via the link in the description. I have mentioned my contact information in the description box and pinned comment. Thank you.